Searching for your perfect student retreat in Sheffield? Welcome to Printworks, your ideal destination for contemporary student living. With stylish studios and affordable two-bedroom apartments designed for your comfort, Printworks feels like home from the moment you arrive, offering a lively atmosphere that fuels creativity. But that's not all. All bills are included for a hassle-free experience. Chill out with friends in the common room and binge your favorite shows on the communal TV. Enjoy seamless connectivity with high-speed Wi-Fi or take advantage of the dedicated safety measures, including constant CCTV surveillance. The location is unbeatable. Printworks is just a short walk from the University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University, making your daily commute a breeze. Explore local eateries like La Piazza Cafe or unwind at attractions such as the Wincobank Hill Fort and Sheffield Botanical Gardens. Need groceries? Cloud Sheffield and the Happy Shopper are just around the corner, and with excellent transport links, discovering the city is a cinch. So are you ready to elevate your student experience in Sheffield? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your place at Printworks today.